and I'll spotlight. Okay, so make sure you have enough space around you. And then today's session will be light. We'll do some Surya Namaskars, 10, 13. Then we'll talk about all the poses, each pose, try to understand them. And again, do some more depending upon time. And we'll do pranayam and some meditation, some part of the meditation. We'll see how much time we get. So based on that, we will do it. Okay. So yeah. Uh, so we'll start with our routine. I'll just adjust the camera. Yeah. So we'll start with the routine. Make sure rotate your neck right to left slowly. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you go up again. Breathe out, come down. One more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Change direction left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Go up again. Breathe in. Down. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Shoulders back. Make your shoulders back first. Breathe in, breathe out, continue. Forward. Just lift your shoulder and do a semicircle backwards. Okay, arms forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Go backwards. Then your elbows up, down. Rotate in one direction. Change direction. Wrist in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers, your thumb. Okay, now keep hands on your waist, feet shoulder width apart, feet and head still, and we'll just pivot the waist around it. Make a big circle, semi-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees. Keep your feet still and then rotate clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now outside in, other way around. Okay, stand up, lift up your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. You can balance by holding or just hold on something if you can't balance. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change leg, rotate ankles in one direction. Up and then change direction. Up, down, sideways. Now that our joints are loosened up, we'll start jogging. Shake your body and then slowly start jogging. Slow jogging. You can jog around the space if you are in a space. Forward, backward, sideways. Breathing in, breathing out through your nose. Arm movements. Always start slowly and then build up. Increase the speed as well slowly. Increase the speed. High knees. Heels back. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and leg. Right twister. Jumping. Return forward skipping. backwards, skipping, star jump, slow down, and then sabha. We'll do swasvayam, breathing. So feet together, palm open on your side. Deep breathe in, breathe out, go down. Breathe in, arms up, come up on your toe, hold, breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in, breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, we'll do continuous movement. We'll do front. So we have to start jumping left 16 time, right 16 time, both 16 time, and up 16 time. And then the fifth one is combination of all four. If you are new, you can just watch me and copy me. After each 16, there is a break, 1, 2, 3, 4. So continuous movement, part 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left, right, both up, left, right, both up. Check your legs. Get your hands together, arms up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Okay, we'll do 2 more breaths. So we'll do the wood chopper breath. So feet shoulder width apart, pretend like holding axe, and then basically deep breathe in, arms up, and exhale through your mouth and chop the wood 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Cool. Just relax, hold your breath for some time. Our body already received lots of oxygen from deep breathing in. The next one, you can be standing. I'm just sitting down so that you can see me properly. So hands fist onto your side. We'll be doing Bhastrika, pumping one 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Deep breathe in, arms up, fist open, breathe out, down, all through your nose, no use of mouth. Kuru. When you're done, just hold your breath for some time, relax. Now that our body is warmed up nicely, we'll do some dynamic stretches before we move on to Surya Namaskar. So we'll start with neck. So neck up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out, back to front. You can feel, your body is now nicely warmed up. So when you're stretching, you can feel it's working out on your muscle. So that's the benefit. You don't just start stretching. So left, front, right, front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, front to right, ear to shoulder, right arm across, stretch, pull with your other hand, left arm across, stretch. As all your muscles are warmed up, it works out fast. Push your hand up and try to hold your hand from back, stretch. Change left hand up, push from elbow first, then hold from back. We'll do this four times, both side 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do back twisting. So deep breathe in, breathe out, go to right, breathe in front, to left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, and breathe out, front. I'll put the camera down. Spread your legs roughly the length of your feet from waist to the toe. Right hand touching left ankle, look up. Left hand touching right ankle, look up. 8 times total. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bend on right side. Try to get 90 degree. Stretch. First stretch this part. Then slowly go down. Hold your left toe. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Breathing up. To other side now first. Sideways. Now go down. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Breathing up. Now get your right leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your front leg. Keep it straight. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring nicely. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor with your hands. Breathe in. Get a bit further forward. Touch the floor and forehead on your front knee. Breathing up. Change. Left leg in front. Stretch. Keep the back leg bent. Front leg straight. Hold your big toe. Touch the floor and then sweep the floor with your hands. Get a bit further forward. Touch the floor with your hand. Forehead on your front knee. Breathing up. Relax. We'll just do last bit of stretches. So lift up your right leg and keep it to your chest. Knee to your chest. Stretch. And sideways. 90 degree. Stretch. Then back. Your knees together. Stretch completely. Change. Left leg up towards your chest. Stretch. Then side. Then back. Knees together. And relax. So now our body is nicely warmed and we done some stretches as well. So we are good to go to do Surya Namaskar. Today I'll be doing the mantra and shlok by myself. I'll just put the music on so that we'll save some time as well. So I'll start the music and then we can. Okay, so everybody in Arama, this is situation position with 3 count, do Surya Namaskar Sthiti, Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, your big toes and Namaskar Sthiti. So make sure your thumbs into your solar plex, your Surya Chakra, wrist parallel to the floor and concentrate on your nose tip somewhere in front. So I'll say the starting shlok. You can just say it in your mind or just try to say Om Dheya Sada Savitrumandala Madhyavarti Narayana Sarsija Sanasannivishta Keyuravan Makarakundalavaan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapurdhuta Shanka Chakraha Om Mitraya Namaha. We'll start. First one we'll do slow. So breathe in 8, go up, look up, keep your arms close to your ears. Breathe out down. Uttanasana. Padahastasana, keep your knees straight. Breathe in, left leg back. Try to look up. Your lower back, push it forward. Back knee touching the floor. Hands in line with your front feet. Right leg back, breathe out. This should be straight. Chaturanga Dandasana, no hump like this. Keep it straight, look in front. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hold your breath. Try to get your hips up like this. You can look at my position. 6, breathe in, come up forward. Your waist should come between your arms. Deep breathe in when you come into position. Breathe out. Go back, heels touching the floor. Neck trying to touch your chest. Left leg in front, breathe in. Again, try to stretch your lower back forward and look up. Now right leg forward, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. After this, we'll do in the proper speed, like 2-3 seconds, one pose. Om Ravaye Namaha. Guru, ek breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana, normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out, go down. Downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Back to up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in, Urdhvasana. Breathe out, Uttanasana or Padahastasana. Breathe in, Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out, Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, Ekapada Prasanasana. Breathe out, Uttanasana. Breathe in, Pranamasana. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Left leg back. Exhale. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg in front. Inhale. Left leg in front. Exhale. Inhale. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Start. Ek, breathe in up. Go. Breathe out, down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg front. Breathe out. Try to touch the floor. Knee straight. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up, breathe out, go back, heels touching the floor. Right leg will come forward, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Back to Namaskarasan, breathe in. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, go back all the way. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasan. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, go back all the way. Breathe in, right leg in front. Breathe out, left leg in front. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasan. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out, go back all the way. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now last two. Om Arkaya Namaha. Okay, inhale up. Look up. Exhale down. Keep your knees straight. Right leg back. Inhale. Left leg back. Exhale. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale. Cobra. Exhale. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Inhale. Left leg in front. Exhale. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Last mantra. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, go back all the way. Downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Back to Namaskarasan. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now relax for some time. I will be sharing the yoga Surya Namaskar poses so that you can quickly check your position as well. So I'm sharing my screen now. I'll stop the music. So basically, I think I must have sent this poster to everybody. If you haven't received it, let me know. So we'll go to one step at a time. So this is the Pranamasana, where we stand erect with feet fully touching each other, chest out, shoulders back, and then press below them and neck straight. Eyes fixed on the nose tip, palms together, touching each other in front of chest, fingers perpendicular to the ground, thumbs touching chest, Namaskar Mudra, forearms in line to parallel to the ground. So this is our Namaskar. This is also one of the asana. Now Urdhvasana, the first one, we means in Sang, we keep palms together. In some places, we keep arms, sideways. So it's okay, whichever way you want to do. So here with palms together, Namaskar Mudra, and then pointing towards sky like Nabo Vandana. Arms and legs straighten, head well bent backward, eyes fixed on the wrist, and then that is the Karamula where the palms meet. That's Karamula. Spine bent backward and body above the trunk is graceful curved arc. As much as your body is allowing, you can do. You can try to do while we are talking about it as well. So next one is Uttanasana, also known as Padahastasana, where hands go down all the way in the motion without bending in elbows, palms flat on the ground. That's the ideal condition. Okay, otherwise you can just hold to your feet. Distance between palms equal to that of the shoulder. So they're in the shoulder distance. Legs set, knees straighten, chin touching the chest, forehead touching the knees. And basically, your tummy touching your thighs if in an ideal way. The next one is Ekapada Prasanasana, where we take either left or right leg back. The keeping right foot and both the palms steady in the front and the ground, and left leg stretch backwards, left knee and toes touching on the ground, both the arms straight, right knee folded, calf, thigh, and last rib touching each other, and chest out, shoulders and head touching each other. Then head thrown backwards, making is like a spine, eyes towards the sky. So we stretch from our lower back if possible. This is the number 4 Chaturanga Dandasana, the full plank, not the wrist plank. So you can say the legs stretch back without moving, both hands from their place, legs and arms straight, knees and elbows straight, entire body in a straight line. Here we should have straight line if possible, no hips, no humps, eyes fixed on the ground at a right angle to the body, so in front or not completely down, but one angle. Feet touching each other, so feet should be close to each other. This is Sashtanga Pranipata or Ashtanga Namaskarasana. So arms bent at elbows without moving both the palms and toes. Forehead, chest, and knees simultaneously touching the ground together with the palms and toes to achieve Sirsasana at 8 points. We can touch chin as well. Somebody if you can't do, you can touch chin, so it's okay. Now nose and pelvic region elevated. So both elbows drawn together each other. So both elbows should be in one line. Hips part, you can lift it up. This one is Urdhva Mukha Svanasana or Bhujangasana, anything. So arms straight, elbows straighten, chest pushed out, shoulders and head thrown back, eyes towards the sky, waist pulled towards the center between your palms, spine fully arched, knees touching the ground, feet touching together, then toes firmly. So remember, try to look up in this position. Now the seventh one is Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog. Without basically shifting the palms, we go all the way back, and then uh, we raise our torso upwards, both heels touching the ground. Entire feet, you can see entire feet is touching the ground. Arms and legs straight, elbows and knees straighten, heels, waist, and wrist form a nice triangle. Head pulled towards knees, chin touching to the chest, eyes centered on the nose tip. So this is the basically downward dog. Now this one is same as Ekpada Prasanasana. We already explained about it. And then Uttanasana is same, and back to Namaskarasana. So and then inhale, you can see inhale, exhale, and then we retain hold on number 5. Then again inhale, exhale, and then go back and then inhale up. So these are the breathing as well. So I'm sure now you understood more. And then if you want, I'll send you that poster. It's 5:35. We'll do 7 more at least to make it 20, and then we'll do ending slok and then pranayama and then some relaxation technique. So I'll just start again speaker view. So just come back to your position now again. I'll start the music. Okay, come into Namaskar Sthiti. We'll start with now right. So breathe in up, breathe out down, right leg back, breathe in, left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, pranamasana. Deep breathe in again, breathe out. Now breathe in, go up. Breathe in, down. Left leg will go back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out all the way back, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, pranamasana. Breathe out again. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, pranamasana. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Uttanasana. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, up, cobra. Breathe out, go back, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, pranamasana. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Breathe in for forehead, hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Back, breathe in, normal breathe in, breathe out. Last one, 20th one. So breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskar Asana. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Just keep breathing, breathe out. I'll be saying the ending shlok. You say out in your mind after me. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine आयुर्प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते. Rama, ek, two, tin. Just relax. You can have 30-second break. You know, drink a water or anything, sip. Don't drink a lot. And then we'll sit down. Okay, so when you're done, come back. You can sit in cross-legged Sukhasana, easy pose. Or if you want to put some more stretch, you can do the Padmasana, half Padmasana, where you keep your one leg up, or the full Padmasana, where actually. So if you want, you can just decide how you want to sit. Okay, I'll just do one leg maybe. And if it hurts, you can swap as well. Make a Gyan Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb, hands on your wrist. We'll start with Pranav. Pranav is the deep breathe in, breathe out. So 5 seconds. We'll do for roughly 1 minute. Okay, so you close your eyes and then keep breathing in, breathing out for 1 minute. So close your eyes and then deep breathing in. Last one. Next one we'll do Udgit. Udgit is basically chanting of Omkar. So it's U and Ma, all three syllables. So we should say with lips open, then make your lips round O, and then if you close your mouth, it makes a sound of Okay, so we'll do 3 times. So deep breathe in. Breathe in again. Last time, deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapal Bhati. Kapal Bhati is where basically we start with deep inhale and then exhale continuously through your mouth, nose, 1 per second without inhaling. And we have to keep doing that for longer time. Today we'll do 1 or 2 minutes. So you can start. I'll explain. You can keep doing it. So only thing moving is your tummy. If you want, you can always guide yourself by pushing your palms. So if you know it properly, then you can keep doing it. Your shoulders, your arms, your back, your feet, you shouldn't be moving that. When you exhale, your body inhales as well for you automatically. But if you have any heart BP problem, then you have to inhale as well. So like this. So depending upon your body condition, you can decide how you want to do it. Last 30 seconds. When you are done, normal breathe in, breathe out, relax. Now next one, we'll do Bhaya. Bhaya is basically you do deep breathe in for 5 seconds. Breathe out for 5 seconds. Entire tummy, empty. And once you exhale completely, you lock yourself, your chin close to your neck, chest, and lock your neck and hold for 8 seconds if you can. We are basically holding our breath when you are exhaled. And then it's called Bhaya. We'll do 3 to 4 times at our own time. So deep breathe in, breathe out, and then lock. Breathe in, breathe out, and lock. You should try to push your tummy inside. Ideally, the tummy should be touching to your back, spine, lower back. Breathe in, breathe out, and hold. Last time, breathe in up, breathe out. Try to put your tummy in and then hold. Breathe in up, open your eyes for the next one. The next one we are doing is Agnisar Kriya. Agnisar Kriya is you deep breathe in, breathe out, and then you churn your tummy. Churn means you keep moving your tummy in out, make a waves on your tummy. Try to do if you can, just at least try to move your tummy. So deep breathe in, breathe out, and now churn. When you are done, again deep breathe in, breathe out, and churn. We'll do 3 more times. Deep breathe in, breathe out, and churn. Breathe in, breathe out, and churn. Last time, breathe in, breathe out, and churn. Now back to normal. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next two is Shitali and Shitkari. So if you want, you can open your eyes. If you don't know, so we'll start with Shitali. Shitali is your tongue. So open your mouth a bit and then take your tongue out and make a U shape. And then basically breathe in through your tongue, making a noise, squeaking noise. Once you breathe in from your mouth, close your mouth completely, hold for 5 seconds, and breathe out from your nose. Okay, we'll do 3 times. Then again, take your tongue out. One more time. Now next one is Sitkari. Is similar, but you open your lips and keep your teeth together and breathe in through your teeth, making a noise, squeaking noise again. Once you breathe in, then close your mouth, hold for some time, and exhale through your nose. So 3 times. Again. Last time. Just relax, normal breathe in, breathe out. Now next one is Simhasan. So just come into the position like the lion. So on your knees, your toes together, you can look, your hands on your side. Take your tongue out, and then roar like lion for 3 times. Okay, make a big sound. Ah! 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 When you're done, just massage your throat gently. And then sit down again. Normally after this, we do Ujjayi Pranayam, basically the throat. We did yesterday as well. So Ujjayi again is making loud. So it's noise, loud noise. Ujjayi means it's victory as well. So basically what we do, we contract our throat. I'll put that. We contract our throat and then breathe in from your nose. But since your throat is contracted, it makes a noise, and then that noise, you should breathe in for longer time, and then hold your breath by locking it completely. And when you think you need to breathe in, close your right nostril, unlock, and then exhale through your left nostril. Okay. You can see how I'm breathing in. It's a bit difficult. So contract your throat, and then from your nose. We'll do 3 times. Okay. Last time. Okay, now last one is Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. There are 2 ways. If you're new, you can just close your ears and breathe in and then exhale. While exhaling is the end of the M, Omkar. So keep your mouth closed, lips, tongue completely still, and then so we are chanting Om, but end up doing M. Or you can just close your ears with your thumb, middle finger, your eyes closed, and your other 2 finger, your mouth. We'll do 3 times. Okay, so deep breathe in and chant M. Mm. Take your hands out, normal breathe in, breathe out. Just relax. I'll just check the music before we are going to do the relaxation now. It will be for 5 to 7, 8 minutes guided shavasana, where we are stretching our body and relaxing our body. Okay, so it's a short version of the thing that we did yesterday. So you can be seated like this. Close your eyes now. Make sure you know where you are going to lie down. Okay, so just adjust if you want to adjust, and then close your eyes. Take your hands back and then lift them up. Breathe in, breathe out, and forehead touch the floor. Sarva Shaktiman Parameshwar, just pray to them. Whichever God you pray, pray to that God. Breathe in up, just be seated. Now, with the support of your hand, take out your legs and then keep them on the floor nicely, gently. No need to rush in. Okay, take support of your hand always. Now, with the support of your hand and your backbone, slowly lie down completely. Slowly, do not flick your body. Okay, lie down completely, your forehead facing up, ceiling, your big toes facing the ceiling, your palms onto your floor. We are going to do the stretching now to start with. So keep breathing in, breathing out. But this time, fill up lungs with all the air. So don't use your tummy. Keep breathing in, breathing out 2, 3 times. Do not let your mind wander anywhere else. Keep it with you. Concentrate on your breathing. Now just we'll start stretching our body, but keep breathing in, breathing out normally. Now your toe, pull them up towards your body upwards. Your sole away from your body downwards. Your heels also away from your body. Stretch it. Apply some tension. Then your calf muscles. Stretch your calf muscles. Stretch your shin. Stretch your knees, kneecap. The muscles around your knee. Your kneecap, pull it upwards towards your body. Now stretch your thighs, lower thighs, upper thighs. Stretch your hips, squeeze your hips together, both hips. You'll feel nice, gentle massage when you are doing this. Just experience that massage. Keep stretching lower part of the body. Now we'll come up, stretch your navel area, your pelvic area, your waist. Now deep breathe in and fill up the lungs with air. That way we are expanding our chest, opening our heart. Okay, and in a way we are stretching as well. So stretch your shoulder joints, your arms, your elbows, your wrist, your fingers, your thumb and fingers tucked into your fist, onto your palm. Your lower part of the body below your neck is completely stretched. Keep stretching. Apply all the tension. Now your neck, stretch your jaws, stretch your lips, stretch your teeth, your cheek, your chin, your nose, your eyes. Now eyes also stretch, forehead, your ears, entire body is now stretched. Keep stretching. Apply lots of tension. Squeeze your body, squeeze, shrink your body, shrink, squeeze, stretch, 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 stretch more, stretch, and then let it go. Relax. Breathe out. Your body will expand automatically. It will expand, it will breathe in for you. Your feet are apart now. Your toes are fallen onto different side. Let that be. Your palms facing up. Your head, forehead fallen onto one side. Just let that be. Just relax. Now we are just relaxing. So when we are relaxing, when you are breathing in, breathing out, use your tummy. Inflate your tummy with the breathe in. Deflate your tummy with the breathe out. Do that 3, 4 times. Experience how your tummy is inflating like balloon, how tummy is deflating like balloon. Witness that. When you are breathing in, the cold air comes into your mouth. Just feel the coldness of the air into your nostril. When you are breathing out, the warm air, processed air comes out from your nostril. Feel the warmthness of the air. Feel the change in the temperature of the air. Do not let your mind wander anywhere else. Do not try to sleep. Just keep your mind awakened. Okay, concentrate on your breath. Now what we'll do, we'll slowly start relaxing our body. So we'll start again with toe. So you relax, move, just move slightly your toes, relax them, your sole, your heels, Then your calf muscles, your shin, your knees, kneecap, relax. Your thighs, lower thighs, upper thighs, your hips, the lower back, relax. Now the lower part of the body below your waist is relaxed. We'll chant the first syllable of Om, and then when you are chanting all the vibration that get generated inside your body, you can see it gets generated into your lower part of the body, your thighs, your leg. They feel that vibration. So deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now just relax your pelvic area, your lower back, your waist, your ribs, your chest, and just your shoulders. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, your wrist, your fingers, your thumb, your entire back. If it's stuck into the floor with the sweat, just lift it up and relax. So basically relax entire body below your neck. So your body below your neck is now relaxed. We'll chant second syllable of the Om. Oo. Oo gives vibrations, generates vibration inside your tummy, inside your solar plex, inside close to your heart, your chest, shoulders. So just feel that when you are chanting. So deep breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now relax your neck, your jaws, your lips, your teeth, your chin, your cheek, nose, eyes. Now gentle smile on your face. Relax your forehead, relax your ears, just relax. Just your entire body is now relaxed. We'll chant the third syllable of the Om, that's Ma. So where you don't open your mouth. And then make sure you feel the vibration that get generated inside your head, which will actually helps out to your brain, your all the internal organs inside your head, your eyes, your ears, your nose. So deep breathe in. Mm. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We'll just chant one Omkar, full Omkar. So deep breathe in. Uh, Normal breathe in, breathe out. Keep your concentration on your breaths. Keep your mind with you. Do not let your mind wander anywhere else. Do not sleep. Keep control of your body. Now slowly take your right hand up, your right arm close to your right ear, left hand onto your chest, onto your heart. Go sideways onto your right side. Bend your left leg, your heels close to your hip. Come into the recovery position and stay here for 10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, with the support of your hands, lift your body up slowly, gently, without flicking it. Just slowly, calmly. Sit into the cross leg position, Sukhasana, easy pose. Make a Gyan Mudra, hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the ending shlok. You just say that in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'll be saying the meaning in English. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm. Keep your eyes closed, make them warm, the hands, palms. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes, hold for 2 seconds while the body temperature of the palm and face become same. Then massage gently your eyes with the fingers slowly, then your forehead, transfer the energy, then side of the forehead above your ear, then back of the neck, and then slowly open your eyes and namaste. Dhanyavad. I'll just stop the music. I'll stop recording.